There are 7 basics no matter what protocol you're going to do. One is exercise. When you exercise, it improves the peristaltic action, it circulates the lymph, it gets oxygen to the tissues that are needed, it helps remove toxins, it strengthens the heart, it builds the bones. I don't exercise the way I should, but exercise is probably one of the top things that help people with their health. I also would clean up my diet. So I don't have this written on here, but this should say diet. Cut out crap. Anything on here, don't do that no more. Now, sometimes I feel like a hypocrite because last Friday my cousin came and painted and we had a pizza. So I can't say that I never eat something that's bad for me. But it's really rare. Cut out sugars, junk food, coffee, tea, soda, all the time. I think those should always be cut out. Aspartame and MSG, I would cut all those out too. So the basic diet, water, 1/2 of your body weight in ounces of water. So if you weigh 150 pounds, half of that is 75 ounces of water. If you weigh 200 pounds, half of that is 100 ounces. I wouldn't go too much over 100 ounces because it can wash too much potassium out of the body. But drink an accurate amount of water. 60% of your diet being raw vegetables and fruits for everybody, for every protocol. And then some fruits. I don't consider a banana a fruit because it's nothing but starch. But raw fruits, raw vegetables are very good. Protein and fat should be about 18% of your diet. You do need a little bit of whole grains. So that would be between 1 and 2%. Not a lot, just a little bit. Fermented foods, I think, are huge in health. And we have a class on how to do fermented foods and why they're healthy. And then no coffee, no tea, no soda, and milk products except for butter. Okay, so here's the water. And you can add lemon to the water. And make sure it's good water, not tap water. 5 to 7 servings a day. That's how much will fit in your hand of raw vegetables. And the different color vegetables are important because every color, the thing that gives the food the color, produces different things in the body. 3 to 4 servings of fruit a day, especially things like grapefruit are very good for you, papaya, pineapple, the raw pineapple, those are especially good. Cherries are good for the kidney. Again, try to get different colors. But I know some people that have yeast infections and their naturopaths tell them not to eat any fruits forever, never, never, never. And you need some of the fruit sugars to be able to release serotonin, and the sugars also communicate within the body and help body function. So I don't think going without fruit the rest of your life, even if you have a lot of yeast, is good. I wouldn't maybe eat bananas because they're nothing but sugar and starch, but you need some fruit. Then proteins, about the size of the palm of your hand, twice a day, 3 times a day if you're a big guy. Carbohydrates, 1 or 2 servings, and basically a serving of carbohydrate is what you can put in your hand and close your fist. So you don't need very much at all. I prefer that it is the whole grain and not something that's been processed. Fermented foods, like I said, we're going to have a whole class on fermented foods. I know you've heard a lot of this stuff before, but I thought I would put it, and I'm going to have a handout that I'm going to be putting on Natural Health Professional class, Natural Health Professional Facebook group that you can give your person to say, hey, these are the essentials that you should do. The last thing is microwaving. I do not believe in microwaves because the molecules in the human body travel to the right, spin to the right. How a microwave works is it causes water molecules to go in the opposite direction, and it can change the spin on the food so you don't get any of those nutrients.